Good noon to everyone. Today discuss about computer-aided process synthesis. Unit number 5, energy integrated distillation processes. The first point, heat integrated distillation trains is a theoretical process and some flow diagrams for this basis. So start કરીશું આપણે heat integrated distillation trains. Now the first one point, although distillation is highly energy intensive, having a low thermodynamic efficiency. હવે એની થર્મોડાયનેમિક એફિશિયન્સી કેટલી હશે એના બેઝિસ પર આપણે જોવાનું છે, જે આપણે એક્ઝામ્પલ 4.9 જોઈ ગયા છે. ઓકે, વાઇડલી યુઝ ફોર અ સેપરેશન ઓફ ઓર્ગેનિક કેમિકલ્સ ઇન અ લાર્જ સ્કેલ કેમિકલ પ્રોસેસીસ એઝ અ ડિસ્કસ ઇન ધીસ ચેપ્ટર 7, જેમાં આપણે જોઈ ગયા હતા ફોર અ સિન્થેસિસ ઓફ હીટ એક્સચેન્જર નેટવર્કિંગ. નાવ the designer normally seeks to utilize more effective separation in the processes, but in many cases has a choice but to resort to distillation because it is more economical aspect, and especially in the manufacturing of commodity chemicals. જે સિમ્પલ જે પ્રોસેસો છે હીટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ડિસ્ટિલેશન ટ્રેનમાં ઇમ્પેક્ટ ઓફ ધ પ્રેશર અને મલ્ટી ઇફેક્ટ ડિસ્ટિલેશન પાર્ટ. ઓકે, એમાં હીટ પમ્પિંગ, વેપર રિકોમ્પ્રેશન અને રીબોઇલર ફ્રેશિંગ, પોઝિશનિંગ્સ ઓફ હીટ એન્જિન અને હીટ પમ્પિંગ દ્વારા આપણે બધું જોવાનું છે. ઓકે, નાવ ધ નેક્સ્ટ વન ઇઝ ડિઝાઇન એન્ડ સ્કેડ્યુલિંગ ફોર ધ બેચ પ્રોસેસીસ. તો બેચ પ્રોસેસીસમાં કેવું હોય છે, સિમ્પલી ધ seeks to utilize more effective separation the processes, but in many cases has no choice but to resort to distillation because it is more economically, especially in the manufacturing of a commodity. The chemicals in the previous section of this chapter and the method have been discussed for existing heat between the high temperature sources અને લો ટેમ્પરેચર સિંકના બેઝિસ પર આવશે. બરાબર. હવે જે હીટ ઇન્ટિગ્રેટેડ ડિસ્ટિલેશન ટ્રેન છે અને સમ ઇમ્પેક્ટ ઓફ ધ પ્રેશર એન્ડ ધ મલ્ટી ઇફેક્ટ ડિસ્ટિલેશન પાર્ટ, હીટ પમ્પિંગ, વેપર રિકોમ્પ્રેશન્સ છે. ઇન ધ પ્રીવિયસ સેક્શન પાર્ટ ઓફ ધીસ ચેપ્ટર એન્ડ ધ મેથડ હેવ બીન ડિસ્કસ ફોર એક્સચેન્જિંગ હીટ બિટવીન હાઈ ટેમ્પરેચર સોર્સ એન્ડ લો temperature sinks when distillation operations are represent in a process flow sheet. It is particularly important to consider the heating requirements for a reboiler and the cooling requirements is the condenser is the heat exchanger networking system, જેમાં આપણે grand composite curve અને hot composite curve મેથડ જોઈ ગયા હતા. સિમ્પલી હાઉ ટુ ફાઇન્ડ આઉટ ડેલ્ટા એચ ટી મિનિમમ, જેનો ટેમ્પરેચરનો 10નો ડિફરન્સ હશે. ઓકે, now furthermore over the past 2 decades the several approaches have been suggested for the energy efficient in a corporation's part of the distillation column into a process flow sheet. This section is intended to present some of these approaches. Now the impact of the pressure. Okay, impact of pressure જોઈશું. now જોઈશું આપણે impact of the pressure as discussed in a section 7.4 માં આપણે આગળ જોઈ ગયા છે કે કોલમ પ્રેશર અને ડિસ્ટિલેશન કોલમ is a key design variable because it determine the temperature level in the reboiler અને condenserના ડિફરન્સીસમાં છે, અને consequently the possibilities heating and cooling media earlier when the synthesizing and the vinyl chloride processes. In this figure 3.8 it was noted that the heat is needed to drive the reboiler in the first distillation column at 93 degrees Celsius, but the heat of reactions available from the directions 90 degrees Celsius માટે આપેલું છે cannot be used for this purpose unless the temperature level are adjustment. For a further more questions was arised from how can this be accomplished for this chapter energy integrated distillation processes. Now the principal vehicle or enabling this kind of this energy. Which one the diagram for a impact of this pressure for a shown in this graphically system માટે જોઈશું આપણે. Which one is graphically system? This one. For a temperature and a rate of heat transfer PQ diagram. This one. The temperature versus Q. The T reboiler and a condenser માટે બે વસ્તુ માટે આપ્યું છે. ટેમ્પરેચર રિબોઇલર માટે અને ટેમ્પરેચર કન્ડેન્સર માટે. તો ટેમ્પરેચર ક્યુ ડાયાગ્રામ ફોર અ ડિસ્ટિલેશન કોલમ માટે જોઈશું આપણે. Okay, this is the part for a how can this accomplished. The principal vehicle for enabling this kind of energy exchanger for most processes is through the adjustment of the pressure of the distillation tower also, although in many cases it is possible to operate the reactor at a higher temperature for the direct chlorination of ethylene in the liquid phase માટે જોઈશું. It is should be possibilities to criteria for this section part. The reactor temperature without increasing the rate of undesirable side reactions, and consequently this alternative should be considered. The other alternative is to reduce the pressure of the distillation tower, thereby reducing the reboiler temperature and permeating temperature of this condensation of the dichloroethane product in the reboiler of the first order tower. Okay, this reduce the use of cooling water and steam માટે જોઈશું, or eliminates them entirely depending upon the cooling and heating demands માટે જોઈશું. Also, as the distillation pressure is reduced, the separation is made easier and the number of stages is decreases. On the downside, however, the temperature of the condenser is reduced. If it is reduced below the temperature at which cooling water can be used, the refrigeration become a significant cost factor. Now, simply a part of this capital cost of the heat exchanger, and the column exists the added refrigeration cost and reliable control system can be designed for the integrated processes as discussed in a chapter 20 to 21 discusses. When working with the composite heating and a cooling curve for a processes, it helps to examine and the heating and cooling requirement for a distillation column using a temperature and a rate of heat transfer Q diagram as shown in the figure માં જોવાના છે. This diagram shown the heat provided to reboiler. The Q reboiler માટે જોઈશું આપણે, and the term in this temperature for a reboiler માટે. Similarly, the diagram shows that the heat removed the condenser Q condensation માટે જોઈશું, and the temperature. Similarly, the diagram shows the heat removed from the condenser also and the condensation part and the temperature for the reboiler and condenser નો ડિફરન્સ છે એ ખાસ જોઈશું આપણે. And the principal assumptions for a figure 10.40 is that Q reboiler is nearly equal to the condenser part. At first, this temperature assumptions part especially unadjustment and satisfied, but is reasonable for most distillation tower, especially for this graphical system માં જોઈશું for a temperature versus rate of heat transfer નો graphic. This one જે આપ્યું છે આપણને આના માટે આપ્યું છે. When એની ફીડ ગઈ છે, feed and product streams are saturated liquid to justify this for the distillation tower in figure this one જે આપણે જોઈ ગયા છે. And the tower energy balancing is steady state condition. What is a steady state condition? A steady state condition means જે ટાઈમ સાથે વેલ્યુ ન હોય એને કહેવાય સ્ટેડી સ્ટેટ કન્ડિશન. એન્ડ ધ FHF માઇનસ DHD માઇનસ BHB પ્લસ જે રિબોલર માઇનસ કન્ડેન્સેશનનો ડિફરન્સ છે એ લેવાનો છે ઇઝ ઇક્વલ ટુ 0. એટલે મેઇન ઇક્વેશન્સ કયું આવશે આપણું? દેન ધ સેચ્યુરેટેડ લિક્વિડ વેર T temperature condensation less than temperature feedlet and temperature reboiler માટે. A reasonable approximation is FHF minus DHD and BHB is equal to 0, and consequently the part Q reboiler is nearly equal to Q condensation part. For which one is the equation is the most important? This one. આ ત્રણ equations important છે. First one, second one and third one. Now, as shown in multimedia CD-ROM, accompanies these textbooks. The approximation is equations 10.20 to 21. जो above से है. Which equations? As FHF minus DHD into BHB for a reboiler and a condensation difference છે આયરો જે main condensation છે. As shown in multimedia for that accompanies these textbooks. The approximation equations part 10.20 and 10.21 જોયું આપણે. Apply for the separation of propane from N-butane in a mixtures of 5 normal paraffins from ethane to N-hexane using both the reacraft for subroutines in the this formula basis पर चलते this one. And approximations in equations part 10.21 applies. Also, as shown is scientist name for Linhoff and the grand composite curve method જે ટેમ્પરેચર ઇન્ટરવલના મેથડ પર આપેલું હોય જે QC અને QH જે ડિફરન્સ હશે. In the returning for the figure 10.40, it is important to note that the heat duty Q value is nearly equal to reboiler and condensation માટે is related directly to the reflux ratio when Q is reduced because the cost of the fuel is high. Now, simply the inlet section and outlet section કહો છે ફિગરમાં જુઓ ખાસ for a schematic diagram of the distillation tower. Okay, જેના બેઝિસ પર છે this one. FHF, BHB, DHD for a condensation part this one and a reboiler section this one. Okay. Now, the number of trays of the height of packaging increasing, clearly the trade-offs between the operating system and the capital cost significantly. They influence the optimal design in one design strategy to achieve a high degree of heat integrations. When the price of the fuel is relatively high, the composite hot and cold curves are created without including the heat duties of the reboiler and a condenser માટે. For a potential distillation tower, then when the possibilities to pressure level of the tower is adjusted to position its temperature and rectangular diagram to lie below the hot composite and above the cold composite curve as shown in a figure. It is the way and that transmitted from the hot process and a cold process માટે. હવે જે કન્ડેન્સેશન અને રિબોઝનર જે આપ્યું છે એના ટેમ્પરેચરના ઇન્ટરવલના મેથડમાં કેટલો ફરક છે તે જોવાનું છે આપણે. ઓકે, ઇન ધીસ વે heat can be transmitted from the hot process streams to be reboiler and from the condenser to the cold processes from without increasing the external utilities. Not however the unlike the example in a figure 10.42a, it is the possibilities for the reboiler to accept energy from hot stream above the pinch and condenser to reject heat to the cold stream below જે pinch point પર dependent રહેશે. Okay, for unfortunately it can be difficult to position part a tower as shown in a figure 10.42a unless the chemical species being a separated part are close boiling point, for example split between the propane in example 9.4. The alternatively, the pressure of the tower can be adjusted and the tower positions so that the reboiler receive its energy from a hot utility and the condenser reject its energy to the cold processes also, streams above the pinch also, as shown in a figure 10.42b. ઓકે, ધીસ ઇઝ સિમ્પલી જે ડિફરન્સીસ આપ્યો છે કોલ્ડ અને કન્ડેન્સેશન અને સ્ટીમનો પાર્ટનો. રિબોલર માટે કયું છે, કન્ડેન્સેશન માટે કઈ છે અને સ્ટીમ કઈ છે તે જોઈ લઈએ આપણે. ફોર ટેમ્પરેચર વર્સિસ રેટ ઓફ હીટ ટ્રાન્સફરનો ગ્રાફ છે. જે QW કન્ડેન્સેશન પાર્ટ, સ્ટીમ સેક્શન અને રિબોલરનો સેક્શન આપ્યો છે. ઇનલેટ સેક્શન, આઉટલેટ સેક્શન. Now second one, the positioning distillation tower between the hot and a cold composite curve. Okay, hot and a cold composite curve for exchange between hot and a cold streams. For exchange with cold stream also and a hot stream also for a reboiler required condensation part Q and a QV. QW for a section માટે આ છે. Okay. Now this reduce the load and the hot utility is required by the heat exchanger networking for the remainder of the plant and while satisfying the heating demand of the reboiler when the cost of fuel is high, and this provides an attractive design જેના માટે છે. ઓકે, નેક્સ્ટ લેક્ચરમાં જોઈશું આપણે મલ્ટી ઇફેક્ટ ડિસિઝન. થેન્ક યુ સો મચ.